Hi, welcome to almost the last session, this one on quadratic equation. We have been taking up the last few sessions, a couple of sessions rather, on word problems. Here also I continue with taking up a couple of word problems. The first one is: in a flight of 3,000 kilometers, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by 100 km per hour, and time increased by 1 hour. Find the original duration of the flight. I don't think it will be much difficult to us. In a flight of I read it as 3,000 and I've written as 300, so please excuse me for it. We can manage, clear this out here, and I write it as 3,000 kilometers. Okay, find the duration of the original duration of the flight. Okay. Before doing so, the speed is also not given. Let's take x kilometer per hour as the speed, original speed of the aircraft. Now they say the speed of the trip was reduced by 100 km per hour, so thereby it becoming x minus 10 km per hour once the speed changes. The distance is given to be 3,000 kilometers. So we need to frame an equation for the time, because it says time is 1 hour extra, so time is equal to distance by speed. So it is 3,000 was the distance. The original speed was, now the speed has increased, right? So this is the time taken when it is reduced, or that time will be more obviously if the speed has been reduced, minus the original time, that is 3,000 by x. This is now 1 hour. Everything is in time and speed, they're in per hour, so there's no change to make any alterations to 1. We just have to solve this equation. It's more, when it's a word problem, the more critical part is to get the equation right. So it is 3,000x minus 3,000 into x minus 10, that's 1. So it is 3,000x minus 3,000x plus, and that's giving me 30,000, and thereby if I cross multiply this here, I'm getting x square minus 10x. These two getting cancelled, thereby making the quadratic equation x square minus 10x minus 30,000 equals 0. 500 into 600, 500 and 600. Oh, this was speed was reduced by 100. This was by 100, so this is 100. This is 100. So it is x squared minus some 600x plus 500x plus 30,000 is 0. X taken common will be left with x minus 100. Again 500 taken common. Oh, I seem to have made this change here, so that makes it 0. X plus 500 and the other one makes it x minus 600, thereby giving x as either minus 500 or 600. We have been taking x as the speed, so we'll not take up the negative. We'll rather take the speed as 600. So the speed is 600 kilometer per hour. Thereby, if x is this, we have to actually find the duration time. Time is distance by speed, that's giving 5 hours. So the original time for the aircraft was 5 hours. We now move on to another question. Yeah, I write it down here. A shopkeeper buys a number of books for rupees 80. If he had bought 4 more books for the same amount, again I'm using them short writings, each book would have cost him rupee 1 less. How many books did he buy? Oh, this was did he buy. Said, suppose in the first condition, when he had bought a number of books for rupees 80, suppose he had, this is the first case, he had suppose taken the number of books as x, and thereby in the second condition his number of books become x plus 4, because he has taken 4 more new books. The amount paid was 80 in both the cases, right? So the cost of each book in the first case become 80 by x. On the other hand, this cost of this book was more, and the cost of the book in the second case, that is 80 by x plus 4, this is the first case is more by 1 rupee. So this is the equation. Now we have to convert this into standard form of quadratic. That makes it x and x plus 4 if taken LCM. Be left with 80 and x plus 4 here minus 80x equals 1. Thereby, if I open the brackets, 320 minus 80, so it is x square plus 4x equals 1. Thereby cancelled, and if I also cross multiply, so the equation in our hands now is x square plus 4x minus 320 equals 0. We can split it. 320, 16 to, so 116 into 20, yeah. So it is x square plus 4x. Oh no, I'll have to split it. So it is plus 20x minus 16x minus 320 equals 0. If I take common as x, it is x plus 20 minus 16 if taken common is again x plus 20, thereby giving the two factors as x minus 16 and x plus 20 equals 0. So x is equal to 16 and minus 20. X we had assumed to be the number of books, so this is not possible, is minus 20. So we consider x as the how many books did he buy was 16. Hope you got that right again, followed it again. Thank you.